The impact of intelligent automation on supply chain. According to a recent International Data Corporation digital economy model, by 2023, over 50% of all worldwide nominal gross domestic product will be driven by digitally transformed enterprises. And by 2025, at least 90% of new enterprise apps will have embedded AI capabilities. Current process impacts. High cost due to high resource requirements, typically completed in days or hours, increased error rate, impact on compliance due to manual involvement, resources focused on low-value tasks. RPA enabled processes, reduction in cost of completing process, now completed in minutes to seconds, zero error rate, flexible and highly scalable solutions, processes are compliant due to automation, resources focused on high-value complex tasks. Why does intelligent automation matter? RPA allows supply chains to scale up faster in order to meet supply chain requirements as demand increases. It thus becomes crucial for employees to rather spend their time on customer-centric business processes that require creativity, judgment-based decisions, and knowledge application. Increased business value. Supply chain stakeholders can adapt to demand and scale up operations more quickly due to automated processes. Cost reduction. Organizations can reduce administrative overhead, resulting in lower staff costs. Better use of scarce resources. Businesses in supply chain can shift their staff away from low-value, repeatable tasks towards value-added activities that generate revenue and drive other improvements. High-quality output. RPA can eliminate human error and duplication in supply chain, resulting in less rework, higher quality outputs, and more streamlined processes. Increased efficiency. Retailers can get stock delivered faster due to early identification of inventory needs that translates into timely purchase orders. As intelligent automation applications set new standards of quality, efficiency, speed, and functionality, companies that successfully employ it may surpass competitors that do not. If companies take full advantage of intelligent automation, the overall impact on the business could rival that of the enterprise resource planning wave of 1990s.